Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a virtual machine in Hyper-V Windows. So, first you gotta do Windows icon plus R, then that opens up. Then you gotta make sure you type WinVer, WinVer, enter. Then you have to see here Windows 11 Pro or Windows 10 Pro. Then you can see if you type Hyper-V, or like, oops, so Hyper-V, you can see this screen opens up. Then you can go here and click that. You can select a operating system here, if it's actually one loading, so here, for example, this Windows is 21 gigabyte. This Windows 10 is 4 gigabyte, which is one of my favorites. That's why. Yeah. Anyways, if you selected your desired operating system, you can go press this blue button, click, and then this will pop up. And this is gonna take a long time. Hello again. So here I have my installation finished. Now this is gonna be there. It's to control the files to see if they're right. Then it makes the new virtual machine. And now it's taking the files out. So that's gonna be like a few seconds. Alright, so finally it's done. Took a little bit. Now it's gonna make it. Then you can make connection by pressing the blue button. You can start it. Do full screen real quick. But there should be settings going on. If you first. Okay, it's already. That is your virtual machine made on Windows 11 or 10. Depends. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. And yeah, bye.